Oh, hi everyone. Good evening, everyone. What I'm to who I'm with you tomorrow is the hotel for tomorrow. I'm at your room for tonight. We're at the Hampton Inn in Jefferson City, Missouri. This is what the hotel looks like. So stay tuned for some more video. I'll give you a hotel room in the morning, so right now I'm really tired, so. Here we are at real shit here. I feel everybody on it. And let's see what the room looks like. House here. Up here. Up bar here. And up here. Oh, hi guys. How y'all doing today? Right here. And here.
Oh, he's doing the taping.
Hi guys. TV here.
Yeah, not exactly.
Yeah, I will hire you.
I gotta get that open. I gotta get that out. Excuse me.
There's no fridge or anything. Well, good morning, everyone. How are you today? Well, I tell you what, in a little bit I'll get some hotel video from the inside here. So we'll have some swimming pool and hot tub, all that stuff. And we need some vending machines too. Oh, hi guys. Well, this is just some hotel video of the inside. It was really nice lobby right here. That's some snack eye over here too.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
That's your... Yeah, not my fault. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah. We'll see you over there. Yeah.
We'll go eat at breakfast or something like that. Some coffee right here too. Well, that's a little internet area here too, but they can pool is open right now. I gotta wait till 9 o'clock before the pool. So. Well, we got some nice vending facilities here. We got a candy machine, and we got a Coca-Cola machine here. So what do we have here? Lay's, Rio, Kilo, Estimate, Pasadena, Joe, Green Musketeer, Garver, M&M, Ho Ho Ho, Guy Hope, Bright, Tube, and Go PT. I became a hair too. Got a pool area over here too. I got a pool area right here. 3 feet, I think 3 feet to 5 feet. Feet right here too. I see a hot tub. Looks like anybody got rid of the hot tub a long time ago, but oh well, I'm not too worried about it or so. Yep. Some recliner, some lounger here. Open the door. Restroom here. Fitness area right here. Towel. Water. Some treadmill here. They got some medicine balls right here too. A weight right here. Hello everyone. Okay, open the door in here. We'll have 1 to 4. Got a meeting room right here. Like vacant. Take a look. Nope, it's only a meeting room. It's okay. Oh, I'm not worried about it or anything like that. They got just laundry here. Yeah, take a washer in the right over here too. Get a soap here too, for 1 load. Anyway. What? How about we go 2 4? Why don't we go to the top 4? 4 number 4. Or so, okay? Okay, yeah, get the hotel video, the picture here. We all came about the hotel, so press the like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. If I need some more hotel video out, be flat, just showing some more hotel video. Okay, I be quiet, some people make me sleepy in here. Number 4. Oh, yeah, 4 I invented facility. I hear on the second and the third floor. So all the way over here, I think a Coca-Cola machine right here too. Ice machine, Coca-Cola, Joe Pete, Cherry Coke, Coke, right? Over here. I'm not really point here. No. We'll have one more floor and we'll call it good. Now here's some pictures and get some pictures and some of the characters. Hey. Oh yeah. Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Right out of order here. Have Coke powder here, Coca-Cola, ham here, too. Okay, right. Anyway, I came out with you Hotel 4. We'll get a picture and stuff. Morning everyone, how are all doing today? Well, I take a see what the breakfast items I look like. We'll start out with the juices. We'll have the first bunch of juice right there. A cup here, you can get milk. Hello, sausage, raisin bran, rice, and sweet over here. That's pretty good. A poster. Oh, here it is. That's kind of cute. Pastries right there. Philadelphia cream cheese, this. Some jelly right here too. Waffle right here. Waffle maker. Waffle. Pork. More waffle right here too. This is syrup. Oatmeal here. Salt, pepper, and happy condiment. We'll take a bottle, pepper here. Salsa, cashew. That's a potato. Sausage with cranberry. Oh, sorry, ma'am.
You're good.
Yogurt. Egg. Just like fruit here.